Hi world, today I'm going to show you how to make your super thin slime thick again to where it's super thick and not jiggly like this. So if your slime is jiggly like this and just super droopy and melty and you want it to be thick again, I have the solution. Let's get into the video. The things you will need to make your super droopy, jiggly slime thick again is a super jiggly slime inside of its container, foamy hand soap, borax, shaving foam, and popsicle sticks are optional. First, take your slime in its container and put some foaming hand soap in it. Do about 4 pumps. Now mix it together. Once your slime is like this, add in some shaving cream. Mix it in. Lastly, add in borax. Just a tiny bit because you don't want to overactivate your slime. Slime now, and it's not jiggly anymore. Listen to the poking sounds. This jiggly slime feels like it just turned into a brand new fluffy slime. So that's how you make your jiggly slime into this amazing, thick, soft slime. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!